Be ready for this marathon. We are going to do here 2025 to till the end, means how many in this PDF, 2025 to 2018. All the question of TOC and compiler, that is your unit 8, that all are there. Now I will see that I will go give you question, you have to answer. There is no time, I will give you enough time to recall and you have to answer, because all this topic, whatever topic we have discussed, so many question, topic wise questions, again we revise. Now it is the time to see that yes, you are able to recall or not. All are ready? With timer you have to practice and you have to see that yes, you are able to recall the concept or not, and you are able to mark the correct answer or not. Year wise, one by one I will show you each and every year wise what are the questions came. So from this class actually you will be able to understand that yes, each and every year what are the question was there from TOC and compiler. Okay, let's start without wasting time everyone. Here first of all, UGC NET June 2025. This is the question on DFA. Question in front of you. I hope it is visible. And these all questions already you did one time. Already I explained each and every question to you. One time, not one or two times. Multiple times actually we did. So I will not give you too much time to think, because very recently we have done. Very recently we have done. Zoom. I already zoom here. Image is not visible. Here image not visible to you. This is I am doing B, C, A, C, A, B, B, C, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, A, C. I hope remaining thing is visible. I hope remaining part is visible to you. Now your time starts now. Now it is the time to recall everything. That yes, you are able to recall all the concept, all the questions or not. But still now I can see 75% answer. I will not say anything today, because each and every question I already explained to you. Here definitely your answer, that this is just like a mock test. You can think like that it is your live mock test. So your answer is this one, right? All even count. I am not going to explain, because I will explain means your time will over. This is just like a live mock test, because this each and every question I already explained. Already these are done. Now tell me. Do this. "15 seconds enough to match." Very recently we have done. "64% correct answer." This is the question from Rule of the Grammar. Those who did not learn till now the topic, please learn it. Here directly you are coming to solve the question, but before 2 days back only I have explained this question. Chomsky grammar. Here all the rules. From there they are making question. Again here it is. The context free grammar. This question I did not ask, but definitely you can do it, because you know that what is the rule, how to identify context free grammar. A, B, C, D, E. 5 grammars are given to you, and from here you need to find out which one of the followings are context free. That is also from the Chomsky grammar rule. We learn those rules again and again. They are making question from this rule. Identify it and do it. Topic will be clear to you. Yes, these are the topics are important, but those who have not done till now, at least go and watch this topic. But we have already done. Now do this. Who can tell me that what was the rule for C context free grammar? How to identify context free grammar? What was the rule? What was the rule for context free grammar? How to identify the context free grammar? Here your answer is C and D. We learn it. Who can tell me? Give me in the comment. Yes, how to identify the context free grammar and why this is wrong. Tell me that why this A is not coming, why B is not coming, and why A is not coming. What is the rule for this? And where it is getting problem? Where is the problem? You have to tell me. Where you are getting the problem that yes, this is wrong. Who can tell me? Here you can see. Left hand side only one variable. Very good. Here left hand side only one variable. That's why here you can see two variable. That's why it is not. Now B, for the B, where is the problem in B? Where is the problem in B? B. What is the problem in B? Yes, problem in B is that you are repeating the S. This is wrong. You cannot repeat the S again, right? Recursion is there, correct. And here also, in this B also, here is the problem. Here you are making, here this is okay, but here you are making the recursion. This is actually happening, right? Yes, good. Recursions are happening, that's why this is wrong. So C and D is the correct answer. Very good. Now this question we tried to solve, but this question is not coming, but we got the trick that yes, here are actually 6 and after that here we got minimum will be 4. So from here we are getting 4, but actually this question is little bit problem is there. So we did it, we tried it. Some problem is there, we challenge also, they did not accept, so we will not waste the time more for this question. Here now do this one. Parser. This is also very popular area from the parser. Again and again they are making question from the parser. Lower power, higher power. $15 enough to do the answer. Which one is lower power? Which one is higher power? Yes. Here you need to remember the power. Again and again they are making questions. So LL0, then LR0, then SLR, then LALR, then LR1. Sometimes they are making CLR also. So where CLR will come in between? Who can tell me? There is in between CLR also. CLR is coming where? Give me in the comment. One question you will see. Remaining next year also you will see that CLR. Where CLR will come. This question today morning only we have done. This passage, that is comprehension type question. So quickly give me the answer. 15 seconds I am giving you to recall it. 15 seconds. Today morning only we did it. 15 seconds is enough to recall the answer. What is the answer for this? This was a comprehension type question. Those who did not watch the class till now, please watch the class. This detailed video I have already there. Again today morning also I discussed, and this detailed video is also there. So please check the folder and there you can get the video. And still now I am getting wrong answer. I don't know, it is my problem or your problem, whatever. So the correct control flow is this one. Option 1 is the correct answer. Here from this comprehension 3 address code it was there. Now what is the, which blocks are dominating by 3 and 5? Today morning only I discussed this all the concept. It is asking what are the all blocks does block 3 and block 5 dominate. You have to focus on only block 3 and block 5. Not more than that. And those who have till now doubt in this question, please watch the complete class. When I was taking TOC at that time only, I think 40 minutes I explained this to one question. So please watch. Those who did not watch detailed class, watch it so that your concept will be clear. Here I am taking your just like the question and answer. So here it is block 3 and block 5 will be the answer. Now next question is this one. Which of the following correct high level code? Means you are converting the code to the high level code. See that PYQs practice means that whenever you are before exam, then by looking the question only you can recall, okay, this was the answer and all. That much practice you have to do. That much practice is required, and today morning only we did it, right? So that's why option 4 is the correct answer, because we saw that here while loop is actually I greater or equals to j and this both together. Here any one of them are not both together. That's why this is your answer. And here last question is, what is the various leader of the program? Leader of this program. Who are the leader? %52 correct answer. You will not watch, you will not learn. For learning you have to spend more time, so that actually you can at the time of practice you can do the answer. So these all are the leader. Maybe you will feel that okay, why BAM is not explaining now, because these all questions I already explained. If you are not investing time, if you are not watching those classes, I can't do anything. Please go and watch. Here this is drop question. Now actually June 2025, these are the questions only they ask. Now I am coming to December 2024. One by one year you will see December 2024. Here this is the comprehension question again. 2 times again and again they ask question from TOC and compiler comprehension. Just mark it. June 2025 also there was question from compiler comprehension, 5 question together, that means 10 marks. Here also they ask 5 question together, 10 marks, that is June 2025. So here you can see it was a question where they asked that you need to find out the ABB. Combination of the alphabet and ABB lies as a substring. From that only they asked DFA. First question was which of the following DFA for the language representation accepted by this. So you need to find out the DFA, which one is the correct DFA here. That was the question. I will not give you more time because this is your second round practice going on. So I cannot give you more time to see and observe. Quickly you have to answer. And your time start now. This is the way only you have to revise. Yeah. So here your answer is option C is the DFA. This is only correct DFA. Other than that, any one of that dot not DFA, because DFA is not going for by taking one alphabet, not going to two states. Other are doing that and other are not accepting. Next question is, which one is the correct finite automata? Previous question was DFA and this is only finite automata. More clearly, if I want to say, then I can say try to find out the NFA. Try to find out actually which one is the correct NFA here according to this. Correct NFA. Finite automata means definitely go for NFA. Again 55%. Correct NFA is this one definitely, because you are getting ABB and AB and AB. Correct one is this one. This question was dropped. It was asking you that which one is the minimized version of DFA. But any of the option is not DFA. That's why they dropped the question. We challenge it and they accept also. So this question is dropped. Now next question is this one. Here, which of the following is the correct regular expression for this? (15 seconds) enough to do the answer. Just now we did NFA and from the NFA only you can do the answer, but you are doing mistake because you will not learn. You promise yourself that no, I will not learn. I don't have time to learn. 68% correct answer. ABB in between and before AB star and after that also AB star. Very clearly we can say that option 4 is the correct answer only. Now do the next. Here which one is the correct grammar? This type of question is only popular now. They are asking grammar, machine, language. You need to find out which one is correct here. Which one is the correct grammar here? (73% correct answer. Here correct grammar is this one. This is the correct grammar. Now definitely it is going on. Those who are not able to do, it is going on in your mind. Ma'am, please explain. I will not explain. Because I already invested time. Again I gave you time that so that you can learn. But you did not learn. It's not my mistake. You have to watch all the classes. Please watch all the classes. I cannot help you here. Now you see here. Which of the following transition function, it is given a transition function. From that transition function you need to find out the language. Which language it is. And by looking that you have to tell me that it is what machine actually. This is what machine actually. Check it carefully. It is what machine? Yes, it is actually Turing machine, because Turing machine is going left and right. It is not PDA. PDA transition left right will be not there. In Turing machine only left right will be there. Correct. Now I am giving you time because this question we did not solve in the class previously. This type of question we solve. So by looking the transition, tell me that what is this. I am giving you 30-second time. It is enough to do. I hope so. And you know that how to do it. Same concept you can apply and find out the answer. Turing machine full class is there. Please go and watch, guys. Try to identify the topic, and all the classes are there for you. Please invest your time little bit. 44% correct answer. See that what we are doing here. By looking the transition one by one, we need to understand. Q0 by taking A. Here it is like that. Q0 is my initial state. By taking A, it is going to Q1. It is going to Q1 state. And A is replaced with X. That is the meaning here. A is always Turing machine is working like that. Whenever I am reading A, I am replacing A with X. After that, Q1, from Q1, whenever I am getting A, I am in Q1 itself. That means it is in a loop. I am in Q1 itself and I am moving to right direction, and A is A only. That means skip this A. Whenever I am getting more A's, so many A's if I am getting, I will skip it. That is the meaning here, right? Whatever A's you are getting, because it is in loop, on the way whatever A's you are getting, I am taking maybe 2 A's are there. I will skip it. I will go to the right hand side, but I will skip it. Now in Q1 state, whenever you are getting Y, that is actually Y you will not get. Now just leave this transition because it is next time we have to see. Q1, whenever we are getting B, from Q1 if you are getting B, it is going to the right hand side and it is in Q1 state. It is going to in Q2 state, and from the Q2 state, here you are replacing B with Y, and then you are starting moving to the left hand side. You start moving to the left hand direction. Now again Q2, if you are getting A, then you are in Q2 state. A, leave it as A. Means you start moving to the left hand side. If I am getting A, leave it A as it is, move left hand side. After that, here Q2, whenever I got X, then I am going to Q0, leave X and right hand side. That means actually A, I will skip it, and whenever I got the X, this is my last position. That's why again I start moving this way. Then it will work like this. You can see again I will get the A, and again this A will be replaced with X. Again it will try to find out another B, and again it will be replaced with Y. Again it will come to back side. Again it will start moving. It will find out one X, and if there is B, it will find out Y. That means it is trying to find out A to the power N, B to the power N. I am trying to find out that whenever A is there, then I am trying to find out on behalf of that any B is there or not. After getting B, again I am coming to left hand side, and again I am checking that is there any A. I am replacing A with X, and again I am going. That means we are doing A to the power N, B to the power N. Within 10 seconds, within 10 minutes, within 15 minutes also, these are the topic are not to be explained. For that you need to watch at least 1 hour class. Minimum 1 hour class you have to watch, where I draw the Turing machine, I explain the Turing machine, how it is moving left hand side, how it is moving right hand side. That's why कृपया करके please watch the classes. Otherwise you cannot understand how to do it. So that's why A to the power N, B to the power N is your answer. Now do this. Option 2 and option 3 is same. No, option 2 and option 3. Here one doubt is there. Yes, that is one doubt. Yes, this is also we challenged, but they did not accept. Actually option 2 and option 3 is same, because greater or equals to 1 and greater than 0 is actually same. Because whenever we are doing n greater than 0, that means I am starting with 1, 2, 3, 4. And whenever I am doing with n greater than 0, that means also 1, 2, 3, 4. So here only they make it greater or equals to, and here is greater than. Actually this one and this one is doing same work. Actually they are doing same work. So option 2 and option 3 both should be correct answer, but they did not accept. I think here some equal to should be there, but they forgot. What they forgot? Maybe there some equal to was there, which is not, because we are not accepting here epsilon. Epsilon is not accepted. We are starting with at least one A, B will be there. As epsilon is not accepted, that's why this should be your answer. But yes, 2 and 3 both are same. It is not our typing mistake. The same question was there in UGC net paper also. They are doing this type of mistake. They are doing it continuously, and sometimes they are accepting, sometimes they are not accepting. It is completely according to their choice. Now YACC parser. What is the full form of YACC? Who can tell me? YACC. What is the full form of YACC? Who can tell me? Yes, good, good, very good. YACC, yet another compiler. Yet another compiler. That is the full form. And this parser is LALR parser. Now do this. Page not moving, ma'am, means page is moving. I am scrolling it. Refresh once. Page is moving now. Refresh once. Yeah, regarding the code optimization, choose the correct sequence. What is the correct sequence for this code optimization? %48 correct answer. Regarding the code optimization, which of the correct sequence is correct? Whenever we are doing code optimization, then which way we have to do? First of all, we are redundant. Whatever redundant part is there, that is you need to eliminate. The redundant instruction elimination. After that, flow control optimization. Then come to the algebraic simplification. Then come to the use of machine code idioms. Then improve the target code. This is the sequence. Must remember the sequence. Nowadays, sequence question is very popular. Throughout your computer science, so many sequence questions they are asking. Very popular, and whenever you are getting sequence question in any PYQs paper, write down the sequence only. No need to write the total question. Just write down the correct sequence in your notebook. It's better to create a small sequence notebook. Only sequence question. Question no need to write. Just the sequence, write it and revise it every day, because it is very popular area. Near about 20 question also they are asking only sequence. So that's why it's very important. Here again the grammar, you can see that which of the following CFG are Chomsky normal form. This is also we have done in class. You will see that most of the question actually we have done within these few days. Topic wise I have divided all the topic, but actually all the question I have covered. Tell me the answer for this. 15 seconds, I think enough, because it is second time we are doing, right? 15 seconds enough to find out the answer. Good. Those who are doing, they will be able to do. Very good. Yes. Here your answer is option B, because here this is the rule. We can get ABC this type, we can get AA this type, and we can get epsilon also. If we are getting another that, then this is wrong. Here you can see this is not CNF because RH has are more than one variable. Here also it is terminal plus variable. Here also the problem is there are two terminals. So that's why only this is your answer. Option B is the correct answer here. Right. Now see that. Do this one. This is also from grammar. Grammar is too much repeated area. Grammar chapter must learn Chomsky normal from, Grapek normal from, how to identify each and every grammar, type 1, type 0, type 3, type 2. Repeated area. Don't miss this topic from TOC. This trending area. Within this 2024 and 2025 only you can see that how many questions they ask from this area only. Yes, here type 0 is unrestricted one recognized by Turing machine, and type 1 this context sensitive, type 2 is this, and type this here. So here linear grammar type 3, this is GNF, and this is this type of grammar is type 1, and this is recursive. So here you can get the answer definitely. Your answer is this one, right? So now go to the next. This is again from compiler. Matching sequence. Matching sequence. Popular type of question. Matching and sequence. So many matching, so many sequence. Match it. I am giving you 30 seconds for matching. We did not practice recently this question. Conflict resolution, common subsequence, quadruple, L attribute definition. Here 3 address code, precedence, syntax directed translation, and directed acyclic diagraph. Here your answer will be this one, because quadruple, from this one only you can do the answer. Actually this is also very popular. 3 address code, you see that this time 3 address code only. That first question what we have started June 2025, 5 question was there, that was from 3 address code. So 3 address code, different types of 3 address code, it is very very important. There only we learned that quadruple, very very important. So here you can see that this is your answer. Quadruple, I think some quadruples means it is actually that. So C with 1, by this one you can find out C with 1, this is not coming. And now syntax directed translation. Syntax directed translation is actually a common subsequence. Common subsequence is the problem. From here also you are getting question. You will see in DS Algo they are asking question from common subsequence, and it is focusing on the syntax directed translation. So that's why it is your answer. And now the conflict resolution, direct acyclic graph, DAG. Directed acyclic graph, DAG. Here Directed acyclic graph is, yeah, L attribute, common subsequence is directed acyclic graph. Common subsequence will be directed acyclic graph, because in common subsequence we are coming here into the cycle. So directed acyclic graph is related to common subsequence problem. We will see that some problems are there in DS Algo. They are giving some string, and up from there they are asking which one is the common subsequence. It is the very popular way of dynamic method also, right? Dynamic method also. So from common subsequence you can find out the answer B with 4. This is not your answer, this is not your answer, this is not your answer. So remember always that this one is related with this one. Okay, other than that also you can remember. Now here pumping lemma. Pumping lemma also nowadays repeating. I will take a class only for pumping lemma. But here this is a easy question where I hope I am visible. Now tell me the answer where we are actually applying pumping lemma. This is direct question. Applied to all regular language, because regular language, to identify the regular language we are doing pumping lemma. Okay, so that's why answer is pumping lemma. Here recursive, infinite, not all regular language. If it is satisfied by pumping lemma, then it is regular. That is the meaning. So here answer is this one. Now see, come to the August 2024. Because see, in the 2024, actually June 2024 there was the exam that was cancelled paper, because there was some problem. After that in the August again they took the exam. So although that was a cancelled paper, still we are doing it, because I don't want to miss any paper. That was cancelled, that was not given, any answer key was also not given, but still we did it. Here now we will do the August 2024, which exam was actually conducted, and from this exam only they gave the result. So do this. All questions we should do. We should not miss any question. Cancel also, the question was okay, na? Question we can do. Now see that again, this is from grammar. Again it is from the rule of the grammar. Read the statement and do the answer. This question also we did. You will feel that, oh, all the PYQs we did actually. Yes, most of the PYQs actually we covered. What happened? Yeah, sorry. By mistake there was a wrong poll. I am giving poll again. Sorry. %73 correct answer. Yeah, so here the production rule, all the production rule, this is option A is correct and option C is also correct. Regular is powerful, then context free, this is completely wrong, and here also this is wrong. So that's why A and C is the correct answer. Now here, identifying language, identifying specially context free language and regular, very popular. Identifying context free language. 30 seconds enough to identify. Yeah. Is this black screen? Is there any black screen? No, right? No. So here, which of the following is context free? Here only A and B is context free, because you can see here at a time one comparison, by changing little bit we can make it LIFO. Here also this is at a time one comparison, but this one at a time two comparison. This is not possible. Here also at a time two comparison, not possible. Here also at a time two comparison, not possible. So A and B is your answer, right? Now do this one. Here I am giving according to correct answer only. Although it is a contradictory part, but still. Here in this question, official answer key was recursive. Official answer key was recursive, but it is context sensitive only. It is context sensitive. There is a example also, a to the power n, b to the power m, c to the power m intersection with a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power m. We are getting here a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n, which is clearly context sensitive. And actually it is coming context sensitive. We challenged, but still they did not accept. They told that it is recursive enumerable according to the official answer key. But this is correct. This is only correct, because we know here with the example also we know that it is context sensitive. Okay. Some of the question I don't know why they are making this type of problem. Here I think this question also we challenge, and they drop this question, I think. Yeah, this question was also dropped. This is also wrong question actually, because DFA, NFA, yeah, which is recognized by DFA but not recognized by DFA. It is not possible. Whatever recognized by DFA, that will be recognized by NFA also, because power of NFA and DFA is same. There will be no language which is accepted by NFA but not accepted by DFA. Completely wrong question was there. That's why we challenge the question and they drop also the question. Now do this. So in the exam hall, whenever you are going for exam hall, by looking this type of question, don't be scared, because they are doing it. I don't know who is making question paper and why they are doing it. They are doing it purposefully maybe, or maybe they are not learning properly, whatever, but they are doing it. So please don't be confused. I am here to help you after coming back from exam hall, after getting answer key. Definitely I will try my level best to challenge them, so that at least some of the question they have to accept. And that's why nowadays I am doing challenge by myself only. Total process I am doing by my hand, so that there should not be any mistake. I am preparing the PDF, I am uploading it, I am paying the money also, so that no mistake will be happen. Nowadays last 2 years they accept most of the question, they accept actually. So don't worry, mistakes they are doing. Here Chomsky hierarchy again. Chomsky hierarchy. Favorite topic. Chomsky is their favorite topic. So according to the Chomsky hierarchy, which one is higher and lower? It is asking you from the order. So definitely first regular, then context free, then context sensitive, then unrestricted. So answer is this one. Now do this. Turing machine. This sequence very carefully read it, otherwise high chance you will do mistake. Sequence very carefully read and then answer, otherwise high chance you will do mistake. %47 correct answer. I told you high chance there will be mistake. So here whenever they make the sequence, they are doing it. Easily you will be able to eliminate two options, but you will be getting confused between another two options. Here very close option they are making between this one and this one. You will be able to eliminate these two, but you will be confused with this. Because C and D, okay, reading the symbol first, then after that you are going for transiting the new state, that is okay. But after that, between A and B only you are getting confused. That writing the symbol on the tape, that is fast, or moving the tape ahead to left or right, that is fast. For that, remember it, how we are writing. Whenever we are writing, after reading something, then going to add, then after that left or right. Like this way we are writing, right? This is the way. What is the order? Remember the order. According to the order only you can do the answer, that first writing the symbol, then left or right. That's why A after that B, not B after that A. Right? In the last part there was left or right, and here we are making key what we are which state we are going, that is maybe Q0 or Q1 or something, and we are replacing with something X. That was we are doing, right? Q0 I am getting A, and what was there, and after that what I am getting, like this we are writing. So that's why in this way you can remember that, okay, left and right it after writing on the tape. That's why your answer is this one. Now do this. Bhargavi, higher best answer for that question, best answer is context sensitive only. Higher one is recursive. That's why I have to go for recursive. That is not actually correct. After that also I learned and I did, but actual correct answer should be recursive only for that intersection. Now do this. Syntax tree, compiler design. What will be the answer for this? Compiler, these theory questions are very easy question, very scoring area actually. If you are trying to remember these states, then easily you can get the score actually. Which of the following task Syntax tree, I think today morning also we have done this question. That is type checking, code generation and code optimization. Error handling is not the main part. So that's why error handling is not coming here. Next one. Correct order, that is correct sequence. You need to do the correct sequence here. See carefully, then do the answer. Yes. 84% correct answer. So correct sequence is what? First, we are going for lexical analysis. After that, we are coming for syntax analysis, then semantic analysis, then intermediate code generation, then code optimization. First chapter, first class of the compiler, we did that. Please don't do mistake here. Here, this is the follow. We have to find out follow. First and follow. No, it is first and follow not. It is I0 closer. Acha, this one I have to cover. I did not cover this topic. This question I will take. For now I am skipping it. Yeah, this is follow. This is we have done. This one we have done. Till now one question was there which we did not cover. I will cover that one. And I think one question only. This is one. Which one is the follow here? Try to find out. Take your time. We did first and follow. How to find out first and follow? Do the answer. I am taking it in my to-do list. Oh my god, you forgot everyone? How to do fast and follow? You forgot that? क्या बात है भाई? You forgot everything. Which one is the follow? It is asking you that XYZ at the terminal, TQRS at the non-terminal. What will be the follow of the non-terminal? What will be the follow of the non-terminal? That is asking you. So what are the non-terminal here? Small letters are the non-terminal. Right. First of all, you have to see that who is following. Follow means what? Follow means how to do. Those who did not watch, please watch it. Follow means who is following. Means after Z, who is there? After X, who is there? That is we need to do. Right, and first of S. As there is X, you got it. After that, you are not getting which is the first of S. We need to find out that. Right, answer is this one. Z and X. Because again I have to start first and follow. It will take more time. Please watch the class for first and follow. It is easy topic. You will be able to do. Very easy topic. Just one time if you watch, then also you can understand first and follow. But don't miss the topic. Okay. Because for the follow you need to understand fast. So first follow both together you need to do. One time watch. Lifetime you can remember. Easy topic. This question also we solved there. June 2024. This is June 2024, which was a cancel paper, but still we will do that. We will do this. You want to do or not? It's important for you because they are only making question. Do this. PYQs available in website means for all the paid learners I am uploading that PDF. You can watch it. You can view it in the app, and PYQs all test series are available free of cost in the app. Vishal, after the class I will upload this PDF. Right, you all are the paid learners. You can access in app. You cannot download it. Download option is not there. In app you can access the PDF. Yeah. So type conversion. Which of the following is the function of the semantic analysis phase? That is type conversion. So that's why you can see compiler phases. 100% sure topic, easy topic, you are getting question. Compiler phases. Must do it. One class if you watch, then confirm question. So watch it na. Type conversion is the. Now here, this is the question. Finite automata. You need to find out. We did this question just few days ago. Tell me the answer. 15 seconds enough because it is already done. And we did so many argument also regarding this question, right? So many argument we did regarding this question. Yes, this is your answer. Wherever some argument is more, that's why I saw that 91% correct answer. Because which question we spend little bit more time, those questions are there in your memory. That's why it is important. Whenever you are spending more time with someone or something or some question, that question you will be able to remember for a long term. Because you are getting attached with the question. You see the effect? This question we did lots of argument na. Ma'am, this is not coming. Ma'am, this is coming. That's why you are able to remember. So each and every topic, whenever you are spending little bit time more, then that is actually attached to your brain, attached to your heart. You cannot forget. Spend time little more. Got it? Quality time spending is very, very important to make any relationship very healthy. To make the relationship with subject also, it is same thing. This is also, I was scolding you yesterday only. Yesterday only I was scolding you regarding that. Right? Do this. I already told after the class, I will upload the PDF. If you don't have time, you go na. Why you are watching? Please don't distract or don't disturb the class. Those who don't have time to spend for watching class and for doing the concept, you only want PDF. I will upload the PDF after the class. You can do. Unnecessary this type of message. Don't type it in the class. I am getting very much. I am feeling bad. Please, it is a request to you that if you don't have time to watch the class, you just leave the class. No need to stay here. Don't distract me, please. You want to crack, but I don't have time to watch the class. I want only PDF. Please upload the PDF. I will upload PDF. All the PDFs are there. All the PDFs are there. You can you can watch the PDF. You can do the PDF. Whatever you wish to do, you do it. Please don't come to the class and don't type this type of message. I really don't like it. My blood pressure is increasing by looking this type of message. This type of mentality you cannot crack. I am telling you. If you think that by doing only PDF you can crack the exam, it is not possible. You have to understand the concept. Everyone have to watch the class, then only you can understand the concept. Then only you can understand how to handle the question. Then only you can understand how to handle the exam hall. In the PDF, that experience you will not get. Whatever I am sharing my experience in the class, that experience will be not there in PDF. If you need only PDF, then purchase all so many books. So many books are available. Take those books. Free of cost, AI is giving you so many material. Take it from the AI. Why required to come? Please don't come to me. This type of people don't come to me. It is my request to you. Don't come. Not required. I don't need this type of student. Do this answer. Yes. So your answer will be this one definitely. Correct answer is this one because A and C is the correct. More than one derivation T is not here. More than one rightmost and more than one leftmost. Here I have to do the correction. More than one leftmost and rightmost. Now only need to do the correction. Wait. I am adding it in my to-do list because otherwise these mistakes will be there. Have to do these corrections. Yeah, I will. So it is more than one leftmost and more than one rightmost derivation. Now do this. Backtracking, infinite language with matching, canonical LR parser, post correspondence. Here your time starts now. These are the different types of parser. For that I gave one quick revision chart of parser in the parser class. If you remember, I gave you one quick revision chart. From that chart, what parser is doing which work. There was a chart. So those who did not cover, in the PDF it is there, and in the class also I explain it so that you can relate all the parser. They are asking different types of parser now. That's why I make that chart. So from that chart it will be easy for you. Try to go to the class and watch it, and then from the PDF you can get that chart. So here backtracking is predictive parser. In the predictive parser, backtracking is going on, and here infinite language with the matching number, that is actually the automata, right? Matching numbers, that is automata here. Canonical LR parser. Canonical LR parser is the large number of states. Post correspondence problem. It is one type of undecidable problem, very popular undecidable problem. This is very popular undecidable problem. Some of the popular undecidable problem, write down it. They are giving those problems only. Okay, so remember this is very popular one. Now do this. Here from the closure property. Today morning only we did the closure property. This is the question from the closure property. Read, think and answer. Today morning only we did closure property. 69% correct answer. 65. Why not 100? Why not 100? You should promise yourself that yes, these are the topic what are easy theory topic, at least I will not do mistake na. Here, context free language, which of the following is not correct here? That is, both are closed under the intersection and both are closed under the complementation. Here context free language is not closed under intersection and it is not closed under complement. That is very so many times we did, and this is a repeated area. Context free not closed under intersection and complement. Remember it, you will get so many questions from that area only. Context free is a very popular topic. Now here you see the PDA question. This is also we have done today morning. This one not same type of question we did today morning. Check carefully and do the answer. Check very carefully and do the answer, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Be very careful. Looking so similar but little bit difference is there. Be very careful, otherwise your answer will be wrong. That's why I told you, be very careful. This is the problem of doing answer blindly. By looking the question, you are assuming that same question. Don't do that assumption. Examiners are very much intelligent. Okay, they know that you will do that mistake. Same question they copied and they change only one thing there. And today morning also I told you that they can change like this way. Here in that previous question there was only 2A. Okay, instead of 3A there was 2A. Here you can see 3A's. Only change is 3A's. Here also there are 4A's. And that's why it is a to the power n, b to the power 2n. Another question is there, that was in 2021 or 22, which we did today morning. That was a to the power n, b to the power 2n. And there epsilon was accepted. There it was n greater or equals to 0. In the previous years only it is there. And here it is only greater than, because epsilon is not accepting. Okay, be careful, otherwise by looking it is very same, very similar. Don't choose the option blindly. PYQs you are doing, that's okay, but with presence of mind do it. That is most important. Presence of mind. What is this and why this is the option? They will copy, they will do little bit change and they will twist the question. So read question very carefully, then answer. Otherwise, so you will get this type of problem. Now it is a most easy topic of compiler. Counting the token. This is also we have done in class. Counting the token. Easy topic. Very easy topic. Very interesting topic. Tell me the answer. How many tokens are there? Count it quickly and give me the answer. %, correct answer. Those who did not cover these topics, it is there in your TOC folder. Counting tokens, parser, the steps of the compiler. Very easy topic, theory topic. Rather than TOC Those grammar, language, machine, these topics are easy. Please cover it. So here you will get 12 token only. Now, here these are the tokens actually. This one, for this one, this one, this one, this one, these are the all 12 tokens. Shift, reduce, conflict are resolved. How? Yes. Shift, reduce, complete, resolve by associativity and precedence. Okay. By the associativity rule and precedence, you can do that. Here, this is the code. The code suffer from what? Yes, the code here, the code is suffering from ambiguity actually, because you can see here if expression then statement else statement. So if expression then you are running statement again else statement again, here if expression then statement. So it is making a ambiguity here. So that's why your answer is here ambiguity. Okay, both interpretation valid given in CFG, both are valid actually, but same you are giving, so that's why it is creating an ambiguity. Now December 2023, I think within 10 minutes we can cover that one also. Do this. We have 10 minutes, within 10 minutes we can cover it. Do this. 15 seconds enough. Same type of question. Compiler phases. These questions are easy actually. Comparatively 2024, 2025, how they make the question, rather than that previously TOC question was easy. Yeah. So here your compiler is definitely this one. Now do this. Yes, here this is a to the power n, b to the power n, it is definitely CFL, and a star is regular. So that's why your answer is option 3. Here, next. This all the questions actually we did, right? It is also easy question. Yeah, which one is not coming? This one not coming. Now do this. I should not get any wrong answer for this. Please don't do mistake here. अरे भाई क्यों भाई? Why you are doing mistake here also? I don't want to say anything. Here I told already, this is B will be not converted to do. It is not a mirror, it is reverse. Now do this syntax tree. This topic is very popular. Each and every year they are asking one question. Each and every year they are asking one question here. Ravina, I am coming to your doubt. Do this, after that I am taking your doubt. Read carefully, otherwise you will do mistake. Read question very carefully, otherwise high chance you will be confused and you will do a mistake. That's why I told, high chance you will do mistake. By looking the question, our normal tendency is that we are not reading the first line. We are not reading the heading. In the heading it is given that input list to according to the input of the compiler phase. Normally it is going on in our mind ki lexical analysis means token. Lexical is working with the token. So now you will be not able to find out and you will feel that why this is coming not coming. Token string, you will feel that okay, token string will be with the lexical analysis, C will be with 3. You will try to find out that, you will not get it. Because it is given that input, which one is the input here? Lexical analyzer, you are getting input means the first character stream you are getting, right? And the stream of token you are giving input in the syntax analyzer, because after lexical analysis you are coming to syntax analyzer. So stream of token actually it is coming here in the syntax analyzer. So C will be with 4. That's why this is your answer. So please read question carefully. Heading also important. Don't miss the heading. Don't think that okay it is matching, do it. No, heading also important. Otherwise this type of mistake will happen. Now do this. Sum of the maximum and minimum number final states in DFA. Maximum number of final state will be n, that is p, and minimum number of final state can be 1. So that's why p plus 1 is your answer. Now millimore. %87 correct answer. By elimination only actually you can do the question. More machine is not a finite state machine. That is wrong, because both are finite state. Milli and more is the type of finite automata only. So option D is definitely not coming under this. Other than that, A, B, C all are correct. So this is correct. Now this one, free address code, very important chapter. Another important chapter of compiler, free address code. Must cover this. Again and again they are making question from free address code. Don't miss it. Free address code, and high chance is that optimization, different types of optimization technique. That is also we have covered in class. Must go through that. Yeah, 71% correct answer. Here these are the actually, here we are doing quadruples and then triplets and indirect triplets. Patterns are not there. These three are there. So that's why ABD is the answer. This topic we have to do this question, that is right central. This question I have not done. We have not done in the class. This is, I will make it in to-do list and do this one. This is the last question actually for December 2023. Yeah, one of the purpose of using intermediate compiler is increasing the chance of reusing the machine independent code. And for that, here now your December 2023 question is over. So see that within this around 90-minute session, it is going to be how much? Around 90 minutes. 1 hour 25 minutes now. So within this time, how many question you solve with me? I can see here Surjawala 41, Jagan Mohan 41, Parma Guru 41, Sandhya 39, Hemalatha 38, Pravina 38, Tamil Selvi 38, Sudha 37, Muthumil 36 and Pinky 36. Now tell me, if you are trying to do it by home, means by yourself, honestly tell me, are you able to do that much? In that much speed and this many question in 90 minutes by yourself, are you able to do? You are getting demotivated, you are getting distracted, and that much speed you are not able to cope up when you are doing alone. Even also whenever you are opening your PDF and you are trying to do that, this is also you will be not able to do. Even also if you are alone doing the mock test, then also you are not able to do, because someone should be there to trigger you. Some environment is required, in which environment you have to compete with others, and with that environment only your brain will be completely focused that yes, that target is there in your mind, that I have to come to the leaderboard, and because of that target only you all are doing. And I know that it is not like that you are doing it blindly. Those who are in leaderboard, you are not doing it in blindly, I know that, right? So that's why this environment is required. The environment of competition environment where everyone is there, live class is required. That's why I am getting very angry whenever someone is telling that I don't have time to do the class, I don't have time to watch the class, upload the PDF. Only through the PDF, if they can do, then why they are not able to do? That is my question. Then why they are not able to do? PDF is available everywhere, na? Resources are available everywhere. The guidance required, the environment required, that is you are getting in the live class, right? Yes, I hope we did so many things. I hope it is helpful for you and you are able to understand that what of the topic is actually important for you. These topics, all these topics are available. Please go and watch, complete it. Yes, make a to-do list. These are the topic I am not able to do. These are the questions I am not able to do. Similar topic is repeated. From this class only you can understand ki grammar, language, machine, transition, Chomsky normal form, Grapek normal form, Chomsky hierarchy, from compiler, states of compiler, and after that the 3 address code. These topics are hot topic. PDA transition, Turing machine transition, hot topic. If you cover this hot topic also, then also you can get some score, right? So go and complete it. Start doing it so that you can get a good score. Those who are not able to come to the leaderboard. Yes, you can do it. All the best.